It's finally time for me to get new Swedish dishcloths. So I did my research and I figured out that Stashers come out with their own set of these. And I'm so excited because I love Stasher. I love everything this brand stands for. I love their quality, and I'm really hoping I'm going to love their Swedish dishcloths, which I don't know why I wouldn't. The first thing I look for is that these are made with all natural materials, and they're made with wood pulp and cotton. So really nice and clean there, exactly what I'm looking for. And then I want that smaller size, and I want something that's cute. My last set was all gray, and I gotta tell you that these pattern Stashers come out with definitely will elevate my kitchen, which I really, really like. And then it's really about how nice the size is, how well they absorb, and whether or not this color comes off over time. So let's go put them to the test. Okay, let's add some water. Definitely absorbed that wonderfully, and it did what I wanted, which is it did thicken up just a little bit, but it's not too thick. It squeezes out the water cleanly. So now, of course, I could just use this as my sponge to wash whatever I want to wash. And these are so nice to wash with since they can fit into any crevices, really nice and clean, and definitely can suds up too. But like I said, my favorite way to use these is really for cleaning everything else. So cleaning out my sink, cleaning my cutting board, and it's definitely getting the job done. And I really like what I'm seeing. This blue is not coming off at all. I have definitely tried some lower quality Swedish dish towels where this is just printed on and rubs off. This is not going to come off. This is actually all the way in there. It's fully embedded. So that is exactly what I wanted to see. It's doing exactly what I want. I am so impressed, and I know you're going to love these Swedish dishcloths from Stasher.